Mepi Press 2 Lite multi-component compression system with reduced compression pressure from Mölnlycke comprises 2 cohesive components, each with indicator. The first padding bandage, which distributes the pressure evenly over the leg, and the second compression bandage. The rhombic-shaped indicator printed on both bandages acts as a visual guide during application and is an important aid in achieving the therapeutically required compression pressure. Both layers of Mepi Press 2 Lite are generally applied in one direction. The compression system must be used on intact, uninjured skin only. Wounds must be treated beforehand with a suitable wound dressing. Before use, measure the circumference of the patient's ankle. Mepi Press 2 Lite is indicated for an ankle circumference of 18 to 32 centimeters and an ABPI of 0.6 to 0.8. During application, it is important that the patient's foot is at a 90-degree angle to the lower leg. Start by applying the white padding bandage to the metatarsophalangeal joint. After 2 fixing turns, guide the bandage over the back of the foot and include the heel in figure of 8 laps. Do not stretch the padding bandage while applying it to the foot, and do not use the printed indicator as a guide at this point. Take care to ensure there is sufficient padding around the area of the extensor tendons, where the lower leg meets the forefoot, and the Achilles tendon. Wrap the padding bandage in a spiral around the leg above the ankle with an overlap of 50%. For optimal pressure, stretch the padding bandage until the printed indicator shows a regular square with sides of equal length. When you reach approximately 2 centimeters below the head of the fibula, tear off excess bandage material. Additional fixation is not required, but plaster strips can be used if necessary. Unused material from the first component may be used for additional padding at the edge of the tibia, the extensor tendons, where the back of the foot meets the tibia, and at the Achilles tendon. Apply the brown cohesive compression bandage to the foot in the same way as the padding bandage. Do not stretch the brown compression bandage while applying it to the foot, and do not use the printed indicator as a guide at this stage. Use figure of 8 turns to ensure that the heel is well incorporated. Wrap the brown compression bandage in a spiral around the leg above the ankle with an overlap of 50%. For optimal pressure, stretch the bandage until the printed indicator shows a regular square with sides of equal length. Tear off excess bandage material when you reach the same level as the white padding bandage and carefully press the dressing down over the entire leg. This will ensure optimal adhesion. Additional fixation is not required, but plaster strips can be used if necessary. The cohesive material provides a stable compression dressing that can be worn for up to 7 days. Be aware that it may be necessary to adapt the application technique to the anatomical or pathophysiological characteristics of the patient, and/or according to medical prescription.